First, let's collapse the Properties panel to give us more room to work. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to use the AI assistant to create a landing page when you already have the text content prepared. Here we have a simple HTML file containing all the content for our website. If we open the tree panel, we can see the content is already structured with basic HTML, including a header and multiple section elements. While we could ask the AI to design the entire page in one go, that approach offers less control. Instead, we'll use an iterative method. By working section by section, we gain more control over the final design. Our prompt is designed to encourage the AI to think creatively and move beyond conventional web design, ensuring a fresh and unique result. To begin, we'll select the header element. We'll be using the Claude Sonnet model for this task. From the Smart Actions menu, we'll choose Smart HTML Edit and then select the Pages scope. The Pages scope makes the AI aware of the entire page's content. This is crucial because it allows the AI to maintain context as we build each section, leading to a more cohesive design. It also enables us to use a single task with follow-up prompts to construct the entire landing page. Having the full context is especially beneficial when working iteratively. The AI assistant understands the overall theme of the landing page, which helps it generate more relevant designs for each individual section. With our setup complete, let's run the prompt. The assistant will now analyze the header content and the instructions to generate the initial design. The initial result for our hero section looks great, with clean typography and a simple layout. To make it more visually appealing, let's ask the AI to add a sky and clouds image to the background. That looks much better. Now that we're happy with the header, let's proceed by clicking Move to the next section. The AI now focuses on the What We Do section and generates a design for it. The result is a clean, floating card layout. This is a good start, but it feels a bit plain, so we'll click Refine this section further to see if the AI can enhance the design. The AI has updated the color scheme, which is an improvement. However, since the text mentions puffs, rainbows, and sunsets, let's add some corresponding images. We'll simply type Add Images as a follow-up prompt. Excellent. The assistant has created 3 cards, each with a relevant image and title. Now we're ready to proceed to the next part of the page. We'll click Move to the next section, which is Why Rent a Cloud. The AI generates a layout using cards to display the list of features. This looks good, but let's try one more refinement to improve it. The refined version introduces gradient backgrounds, new icons, and a more dynamic, organic layout, which is a significant improvement. To make this section even more engaging, let's try making it interactive and adding images to the cards. Perfect. The AI has added background images to each card and adjusted the layout to create a visually interesting design. We could continue this process for the remaining sections of the page. This iterative, section-by-section approach, combined with the Smart HTML Edit Pages scope, gives you fine-grained control over the design process. It allows you to guide the AI assistant and refine the results until you're completely satisfied with the final outcome.